Okay, the next topic we talk about the random value generators. The random value generator not the part in the writing code in C language to generate the random value. Now we talk about the circuit in the digital circuit to generate the random value. I understand you don't learn about the digital circuit, but for me, I think a digital circuit is by look at the symbol, it's very easy to understand. This is not very hard when to compare to the big circuit, or this is a very small circuit. So here, by the concept on the random generator is do the exclusive OR. Before we go to the exclusive OR, I search the internet show you the exclusive OR. The exclusive OR output here, the symbol is the exclusive OR. The exclusive OR have input A and B. A and B, when A is 0, B is 0, output is 0. This is the output 1, 1 only when A and B is 0 or 1. This is when A 0, B 1, this is 1, or A 1 and B 0 is only 1 here. So this is truth table of the exclusive OR. For this circuit, what is this symbol? In this is we call the D flip-flop. Okay, D flip-flop. The D flip-flop like as the memory, to keep the binary, controlled by clock signal. Example here, I suppose I have a number 0 here, put it here, and then I give a clock, 1 clock. The 0 will keep it to the we will give it to by the D flip-flop, and D flip-flop will send the 0 this output. And then when I get the input 1 here to pin D, and then I put a clock to here, will remember all the logic 1 and send the logic 1 to output. It's do like as the memory. So when write it from these circuits in the form is to the right here by bring the output from the D flip-flop to calculate about the exclusive OR. This is a symbol on the exclusive OR. When I put 1 0 to exclusive OR, output 1 0, the 1 0 to exclusive OR when it will generate 1 to output here. The new one here to put this and do the chip. This is a chip right. By this logic 0 1 1 1 0, it chip right will be 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1. Is do the chip right. So here this is a concept by random generator. This is why generate the value, because it bring the logic from 2 position to do the exclusive OR and put it back in the front or in the top or head or tails, and then do the chip left or chip right to generate the value. Now output from generate here will be the random value. When you write it in the small circuit, the pattern, the value, maybe it is generate the same pattern. But when we write it in the big circuit and run it in very fast, in the clock is very fast, it will when you capture the clocks, maybe you will look it in the random, you will get it in the random value. Here this is example on the exclusive OR. Now the concept again. So I have the input is 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 in the memory in the D flip-flop, and then 0, 1 is sent to the exclusive OR at the first time. The exclusive OR generate the output new 1 here. The new 1 here put it to the queue, and then put it in the queue, in the first queue. On the right, on the right hand side queue will move left, move it out, and then output is calculate again 1, 0, 1, 0, calculate in the exclusive OR. Exclusive OR generate 1 again. The bool ones move to the queue, and 1, 0 generate 1 again, move to the queue. Now again, the queue is a 1, 1, 1. For the 1, 1, 1 is in the exclusive OR, it is a get output 0. So output 0 put here, and put 0 to this. This is a do the shift right, and output here, this is a random value after generate from this circuit. But in this circuit, I can write it in C language to show you, but I can write the C language, but the C language is the code is very long for you to understand. So make it easy. I write this in example code in R language. You can write this code in R language on the online GDB and simulation the random circuits. Oh, I don't tell you about this name in this circuit here. This circuit we call linear feedback shift registers. Okay, now we will test this code. You open the online GDB again, and here write this code. To make it easy, you can copy the code and put on the online GDB. Don't forget to change it to the R language. Where is the R language? Here, this is the R language. And put this code, and now run this code. This is a generate the output. The output is I create the vector 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, like as the vector member in the example here. Then I do the exclusive OR at the position number 1 and number 3, number 1 and number 3, and then get the output X, and put the X to the vector again. This is a do like as the shift right, and print the output. The output you see here. This is the output. When you look at this, the output is similar to show you in this. Okay, here this is an example. This code, this is a part do is in the 10th time here by use the loop for 10 time. Start from 1 to 10 in each time. Do the shift right. Okay, here this is an example. Now in C language you can generate the random value. This is not related about the circuit, but when you write the code to generate value in C language, you can write and simulate on this code. Here this code is C language. I use the SLAN to generate the start value, start random generators, and use the function RAND random to generate random value. And then in this function I do the modulation. This is a mod 1000. So the output will get the number from 000 to 999. This is 0 to 999. 0 to 999. Because this is a make the scope controlled by the modulation 1000 here. You can copy this code to put in the online CDV and simulate it in your computer on your computer.